ku fere yero la fin si baba wa. Fere ku fere yero la fin si baba wa.
Welcome back to another lesson with the East Bay Center for the Performing Arts online dance series. My name is Ezra Bristow, and it is my pleasure to be the instructor for our beginning Samba fusion dance class. Today's video is actually going to be a combination breakdown. We're going to move through it pretty quickly. This is for the students that are already familiar with it. But if you want to challenge yourself, you're more than welcome to join. At the very first movement are actually a march. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, turn, step again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, turn, step, turn. But the second time that you do it, because you do it twice, when you go step, turn, step, you bring that right foot back to center. Because then you're going to start moving your head towards the right. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Okay? Then we add our shoulders. Keeping our waist stationary gets added in. And our arms are doing the same. So it's just concentrated getting your head and your shoulders involved. All right? So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 2, 2, 3. Add the shoulders. 3, 2, 3, tap. 4, 2, 3, tap. All right. Now the next thing we're going to do is roll our shoulders back. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to roll the shoulders forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now your right arm is going to go back. Your left arm comes to your chest, slightly out. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Now forward. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now you're going to go out. Out. 2, 3. Tap. Out. 2, 3. Open up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? After you've done that, there's going to be a sweep forward. So you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and. You lift up your foot on and then you step on your right. So it's ands 1, 2, 3, 4, and back, 6, 7, 8. Open up, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, back, 6, 7, pivot, right, 2, 3, and 4, back, 6, 7, pivot, back, 2, 3, and 4, and back, 6, 7, pivot, left, 2, 3, and 4, and back, 6, 7, pivot, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, hold, okay? And then the next move goes from here, and 1, 2, 3, 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 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now we're going to stop there for now. I want you guys to break that down. I'm going to show you to the music.
Oba
just a little bit more I wanted to share with you. I'll post part 2 later on this week. If you guys have any questions, as always, you can email me, ezra@eastbaycenter.org. I'm always happy to answer questions. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care of you guys. Take care of yourselves, your family. Stay safe, stay healthy. Peace.